Okay. In the previous class, we discussed about parallel testing. What is parallel testing? At a time, three projects are launched at a time. Okay. And for this, we can write what suit within XML parallel equal to tests. Okay. So now we will go for new concept like in Java arrays. Okay. So arrays are used to represent what group of elements in a single entity. Okay, so arrays are used to represent a group of elements in a single entity. In this element must be homogeneous same data type. Okay, it must be fixed numbers. So we can store multiple values into a single variable. Okay, arrays are used to store multiple values into a single variable. Okay, so now see this. At a time, variable can store only one value. Okay. So at a time, variable can store only what? Only one value. So integer array contains what? This variable only can be stored in a, so only one value can be stored in a variable, and array means to store more than one value. Okay. So arrays are stored more than one value. See here, 100 students are there. Example. So 100 students requirements what? 100 IDs are required. Okay. So if you use array like this, here array size is what? 100. So 100 is the size of the array. Here. Okay. So number of values are we can store means 100 values we can store here. See this. Okay. It is what? Fixed. So it is fixed. We can't change this. Okay. So in this we can write what like array means like this or so like brackets after a. Okay. See this new is a keyword here. So new is a keyword which will allocate what memory of the variable. Okay. New is a keyword which will allocate memory of the variable. So next integer is what? Integer is a data type of an array and a is the name of the variable. Okay, a is the name of the variable here. So index means it is a location. So index is the location, is the address of the element. So index always start from what? Zero. See here, this is an example. So index is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So integer 0. Okay, index 0 contains what? A of 10 value. Okay. So integer A of 0 is what? A of 0 is returning what? Value 10. Okay. Next A of 1 returning what? Value 20. A of 2 returning what? A of 30 value. A of 3 returning what? 40 value. A of 4 returning what? 50 value. Okay, see this. In programming, so indexes are starting from 0 value. Okay, so index is starting from 0. So in that, int a of new int I equal to 5. See here, starting index what? 0. So ending index what? 4. Why means, so in, okay, ending index is formula is what? Size minus 1. Okay, length minus 1 or size minus 1. See here, if one array contains what? 100 elements here. If one array contains 100 elements, starting index was 0. So ending index means length of the array is minus 1. So that is 100 minus 1 equal to 99. So ending index is 99 here. Okay. Next int a of, okay, integer of. This means int array stored in only in integer data. Int array stored in only integer data. String array stored in what? String data here. So yeah, array is always index based. So in index will always start with what? 0 here. So array index is always start with what? 0 here. So there are six values is there. What is the size here? Size is 6. So index means 5. Y means length minus 1. So index starting from what? 0. From 0 onwards, index will be started here. Okay. Next integer of a is a variable of the int type. So a is the variable of what? Integer type. If you write string here, so a is a variable of what? String type. Okay. So next, see this array declaration. So array will be declared like this. If it is what? More than one value. So more than one value stored in a variable. Okay. So this is what index of, this is 5 values. Okay. This is index 5 values. Okay. Next, integer array is created with default values is 0. This is the very important question. So integer is created with default array values what? 0 here. So index is start from 0. Okay, like this. So length. So if you write only length without braces, it is a variable. Okay, it is used to find the length of the array. Okay, if you don't write the brace parenthesis here, so length is a variable. It is used to find out the length of an array. So if you write parenthesis, so length is a method here. It is used to perform what? Length of the string here. Okay, length of the string. Actually, in this case, Okay. In this case, wait, methods are not applicable in arrays. Okay, methods are not used in arrays. Okay, so these methods are used in what? Collections. So methods are used in collections, not in arrays. Okay, types of arrays. Here there are two types of arrays. So what are the types here? Okay. What are the types here? Single dimensional array and a two-dimensional array. There are two types here array. So single dimensional array contains these five steps. So what is the first step? Declare an array. Next add values into an array. And next find size of an array. And next what? Read single value from an array. Okay, read single value from an array. After that, read multiple value from an array. Okay. See this one. This is one. I can create one new class here. So I can close previous. Okay. So this I can max expand. Okay, remove expand is. And my class are in July. Okay, that's why I can create here. So what is my new class? So create my class name as okay array ART1. Okay, I can give like this and click publish static void string args. Okay, in here we are right. Okay, first declare an array. See these steps. So first one is what? Declare an array. I can copy this. Declare an array. Control C. Okay, I can paste it here. Control E. Declare an array. So how to declare an array? So int a of equal to okay int a of equal to new int of int a of equal to new int of so I can give here 5. Let's see this. This is what declaring an array. This is what fixed array. Index 5 means what? It is the index number. Okay. So index number 5 means it will release what? 4. Okay. Syntax error. You can write like array means syntax. Okay. So I can remove this. It displays? No. Why? So wait, I can check the code. So int a of equal to new int of 5. Okay. See this, I can write like here fixed value. That's why it shows. So I cannot write within comments. Okay. So now, wait. Again removes. See this. Okay. So next, after declaring an array, we can add the okay. We can add the values into that array. I can copy this line. Control C. See here. Double slash control. Okay, I can add the values into an array. So array of 0 contains what? Value 10. Okay. Next array of 1 equal to value 20. Array of 2 equal to okay, value 30. So array of 4 equal to okay, value 40. Oh, sorry, array of 3 equal to array 40. Next array of 5 equal to array 50. See this. So this is first one is what? This is starting index. So here TIMG starting INDX. Starting index is what? 0 here. Okay. This is ending index. So ending index what here? Ending index equal to 4. Okay. So y means if you start from 0, ending index is 4 here. So you can write like okay. Now wait. So find the size of the array. Control C. I can print the first. I can print the array. Okay. After printing the array, I can go for the size of the array. Okay. So now I can write what system dot out dot println. Okay. Array dot what length. Array dot length here. See this. I can save the program and run it. Okay. What is the length of the program here? 5. Okay. This is length. Index means length here. Okay. Only length will be displayed. Now I can run. Next, I can print the array number 30. Okay. So now print the size of the, find the size of an array. We can find the size of an array. Okay. So now I can print what system.out.println array of 3. Okay. Series Control C, Control V. I can find the size of an array. I can print what 3 here. Okay. Again save and run it. See this. What is the array of 3 value? 40 will be displayed or not? Okay. So next we will go for another one. Read single value from an array. Control C. Read single value from an array. I can read this series. So we will go for. Okay, sorry. This is the read single value. Wait. I can find the size of an array means system.out.println length. Okay, this is size. What is the size of an array? Okay, size of an array means length here. Okay. So next read the single value from an array means. So this is the single value. What is the single value? System.out.println array of 3. Okay, this is the single value. So next I can print the wait. I can print the read the multiple values from an array. Okay, now we can go for okay. Now we can go for loop here. Okay. So for int I equal to 0. Okay. I less than or equal to 4. Okay. I plus plus here. In that we can print what system dot out dot printl and println a array of I value we can put there. See here, see this, check the output. Okay, I can run this. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 will be displayed or not. So here we can debugging the code. That's why you can write what I can click on this element. Okay, I can click for loop. Okay. I can click for loop. After we can press what F11. Okay, I can press F11. So wait, it is switching. Okay, after switching, we can press what F6 here. Okay, I can go for it is for switching. Here we can press F6. Series F6. Okay, so first of all, I equal to 0 is taken and print what F6. Series 10 will be printed or not? I is equal to taking 0 here. So I is taking 0 here. So print the what value? 10 value. 0 means 10. Okay, next after that we can press F6. Okay, again F6. See here. Next AF1 will be print or not? Next again press F6. Press F6. 30 will be print or not? Okay, next array 3. Okay, next press F6 and press F6. See this. 40 will be print or not? Okay, see this. See that in the console and I equal to 3. After I plus plus means I is increasing here. Now press F6. I is 4 here. Okay. Next print the 4 value what? 50. So it will be print or not? Press F6. Okay. 50 will be printed here. Next after that again you press F6. Okay. Next again you can press F6. Why means it is terminated. So 4 values will be terminated here. That's why after that there is no value. That's why it is terminated. Okay. Now click on this. Okay, I can click on this, right click on this. Okay, I can what close. So debugging will be closed here. Okay, so now see this. So what is the I equal to 0? I equal to 0 means here starting index. I equal to 0 means starting index. So I less than or equal to 4 means it is ending index. 4 is a ending index and I plus plus means it is post increment. Okay, it is if you plus like I before I you can type plus plus. So it is pre increment. After I plus plus it means what post increment here. Okay, now I want to go start debugging also. Now we can check the also. Okay, now I will go for another method. I can write this in comments like okay, I can press in comments. I can put here in comments. So this. So star help. Okay. So next I will go for another for loop. So what the for loop for? Okay. I int int I equal to 0, for int I equal to 0. So I less than a dot length here. So I less than a dot length here. After that, I plus plus. Okay. So now see this coding is working or not. Now we can check this. So again, here also we can paste same like this. Control C, Control V. See this. Okay, I can save the file and run it. Okay, same output will be printed by means here. So why this is used and why this is used? Actually, we know the four value. Okay, we know the five values. That's why we know the size. We can use like this method. Okay, if you don't know the size, actually these four values. So if a programmer give like 50 values, okay, 100 values or 120 values. So we don't know the count. Okay, we don't know the length of the size. So that's why we can use what this method. So this type we can use like this. Okay. So we don't know the size, use like this. If you know the size, like this, we can use. Okay. We should know how many values we want to store, preferred first approach. We should know how many values. Okay. How many values we want to store, preferred first approach this. We don't know, preferred second approach. Okay. So here condition how it runs. See this meaning is what? So here first 0 less than, okay. See this 0 less than 5. 0 less than 5 means what? True. Here the condition is true. Next 1 less than 5 means the condition is true. 2 less than 5 means, okay. 1 less than 5 means condition true. 2 less than 5 means condition true. Okay. Next 3 less than 5 means what? Condition is true here. Next 4 less than 5, condition is true here. 5 less than 5 means condition is false here. Okay, it is terminated. First 4 will be executed. Okay. So again, I can go for another one also. Okay. So see this. I can put it into comments. So I can open another one. Same like this. Okay, wait. I can write like this. So what is the difference here? Okay. I less than or equal to a of length minus 1 here I can use it. Okay. Length minus 1. See this. Okay. It is working or not. Now we can check this. Okay. Save the file and run it. See here, same output. Y means, see this, 0 less than or equal to, okay, 0 length minus 1 means what? 5 minus 1 equal to 4. That's why I can write like this. 0 less than or equal to 4 means the condition is true here. Next, 1 less than or equal to 4 means the condition is true here. Next, 2 less than or equal to 4 means the condition is true here. Next, 3 less than or equal to 4 means the condition is true here. Okay. Next, 4 less than or equal to 4 means the condition is true here. Next, 5 less than or equal to 4 means the condition is false here. Okay, the program is terminated here. So these four will be printed. 0, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 will be printed or not. Okay, this is one method. And we will go for condition C here. Okay, we should know the how many values we want to store, preferred first approach. So what is the conditions approach one? We should know the how many values we want to store, go for first approach. In this feature we don't know any plan. Okay, add more number of values. Okay, next condition to approach means initially we don't know the how many values we can store into a array present and future. Okay, these two conditions will be, okay, explained here. Next we will go for what? For loop here. See this, I can write for loop statement, for each statement. So comments, I can put into comments here, this program. See this, I will go for what? For loop here. Now for each loop here. I will go for each loop. In that for each loop. So what is for each loop? Enhanced for loop is called a for each loop. Okay, for each loop. Now for, see this, into what? X. X is a variable name. So A is what? Array here. So in that, see this, Control C, Control V. In this we can print what? X is a variable. That's why I can put X here. See this. What is this? A is an array. So array can store the variables. Array can store these all values into one variable. The variable name is what here? X here. Okay. So you can print that X variable here. Okay. Array values are stored into X variable here. See the output. Again, the same output will be displayed or not. See this. Again displayed or not. Okay. This is also correct. So see this. I equal to 0 means for loop contains three things here. So first of all, I equal to 0 means it is a initialization. Next, I less than or equal to length minus 1 means it is a condition. Next, I plus plus means it is it is increment or decrement. Okay. So this is the single dimensional array. So we will discuss multi-dimensional array in next class. Okay. Thank you.